So, Simon says that every player can only make monkey noises during this round. No regular communication.
Okay. Me and Brett have this in the bag. He's a master at this.
Does that have to be like continuous? Because like that could be tiring.
Continuous.
Well, we're gonna be tired, I guess.
Yep,
Okay.
Guess you're gonna be tired.
He's just sucking the life out of us.
My favorite thing to do. Oh, this is content right here. I heard something. I heard something that almost sounded a bit like not a monkey noise. Almost. Just almost. Left team's almost done. Right team seems to be a little bit stuck. Oh? I think left team wins. Left team, how are you feeling about almost winning? Left team, how do you feel?
Oh my god!
Peter, what are you doing?
That was the hardest thing I've ever done.
I didn't know the bunch jump
Like that.
Please, my lungs are dying.
That was awesome.
I agree, Peanut. I agree. That was awesome.